So you've just set up your new launcher and you start decorating it. Look around in new aisles and oh no, the battery dies and you forgot to select it as your default launcher, or you might have. So the user pushes the power button when it's on cable and then you'll be revealed to the boot screen. The user will be like, yeah, it takes a long time sometimes. So, we're just going to sit here for quite a while. And as you can see, if you take a look, it hasn't turned on the home screen yet. So as you can see, you are screwed because you have just gone into a boot loop. And this is for older devices. I think they've patched this on newer ones. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix this. You've got the new home screen and gone into a boot loop. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Number 1, push power button until your device goes off. So, pretend that was the phone power button for like 7 seconds or 10 seconds and the screen should turn off. And then push the power button until the device comes back on again. And then push down the volume down. Right there. And just push it down on your real device to fix this bootloader problem. Push down volume down on your device. So as you can see, you're pushing down volume down. And just keep pushing it down until you get to the home screen, or eventually you'll get to the home screen because, yeah. Okay, so you're pushing volume down. So now you will make it to this screen. So you've managed to fix the boot loop problem. So this is your device on the boot loop. And you have to push the volume down. Yeah, there. Put it volume down there when it's showing the boot animation. So what you need to do now is you need to go to settings. Settings. App. And uninstall your new home screen. I know it looks cool, but this will fix your problem. So now you have to shut down your device by pushing power button for a few seconds and hit power off. So now you're going to turn it back on again. Eventually you'll show the boot animation. And eventually you'll just voila, go back onto the home screen. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to Isaac King videos, and this will fix. You don't need the UI problem. That will already be running on your phone. That won't happen. So that's how to fix a problem on your device. Subscribe to Isaac King videos, and this will work on real devices too.